Hi everyone, this is your Mithun. Welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we have been discussed about parts of the abacus and how to use abacus scale. In this video, we are going to discuss about direct problems on abacus scale. As I said, before going to do the problems on abacus scale, the abacus scale should be in the zero position, which means the beads should not touch the answering bar. Now let's do direct problems on abacus scale. 25 plus 12 again plus 12 minus 38. Now the answer is 11. 11. 97 minus 87 plus 74 minus 62. Now the answer is 22. 22. 85 plus 14 minus 78 plus 26. Now the answer is 47. 47. 27 plus 12 minus 29 plus 74 minus 52. Now the answer is 32. 32. 24 plus 60 minus 72 plus 27 minus 15. Now the answer is 24. 24. 21 again plus 21 plus 52 minus 84 plus 65 minus 75. The answer is 0. Thank you. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.